if you're experiencing a verification pending status on Splitit, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check your email for any messages from Splitit. They may have sent you a verification email or requested additional information to complete your verification. Step 2. Provide required documentation. If Splitit has requested documentation, gather the necessary documents such as identification or proof of address. Ensure that these documents are clear and meet their requirements. Step 3. Log into your Splitit account. Access your Splitit account by logging in with your credentials. Navigate to the verification section to see if there are any prompts or additional information needed from you. Step 4. Resubmit your information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your emailing accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists after following the above steps, reach out to Splitit's customer support. Provide them with details about your situation and any documentation you have submitted to expedite the resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on Splitit quickly. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance.